Kingdom Life Academy is a Christian micro school focused on experiential learning, giving students a real hands-on learning opportunity. And we target low-income families, students that are struggling in the public education system, and to prepare them to go directly into the workforce or to obtain a certificate at the local junior college. I taught in public school. I started off in 5th grade and then moved into middle school. It was during my middle school tenure that I saw boys really dropping out of school in their hearts. And so God put it on my heart in 2013 to start Kingdom Life Academy to address the needs of not only boys, but young girls as well, who needed more of a hands-on real life experience. What students experience when they come and see Kingdom Life Academy is life, okay? Because you're gonna see our students in the kitchen preparing lunch. You'll also see even in the math class where they're working on proportions and ratios, and which is part of life even in the kitchen. It relates to the recipes that they're working on. Outdoors, you will see the students working in the garden. They're planting green beans and squash and cantaloupe. And so you'll see a lot of activity here at Kingdom Life Academy.
Before I came to Kingdom Life Academy, I struggled with learning in the classroom, and I had a lot of anger issues at my house. I wasn't very happy when I heard that I was moving schools, and the first week was so rough at Kingdom Life Academy, but the more I fit in with all the other students and the teachers, I really loved it because I've learned things that I would never learn in a normal school.
I tell my friends that KLA prepares you for real life, and that you won't just struggle when you start as a young adult and struggle with paying bills or finding a job. Here at KLA, it prepares us to be young men and women and to be a good part of our society.
We're definitely preparing our students for life here at Kingdom Life Academy, because there's so much of life is dealing with, repetition, showing up, being responsible, thinking things through, problem solving. What made me make skills so much a part of the school is because skills are a part of life. Even when you bring in, the academics, if you're connecting them with the skills, then now the academics make sense. Cooking, the students, again, they have to cook. And we put that responsibility on them, and they take ownership of it. But we're a food establishment inspected by the health department. Every student has their food handling license. And so we're very, very legitimate. And so that sells them totally. Hey, I have a food handling license, and I am authorized to work not only here in this kitchen, but in the public square. So it's so many powerful opportunities for students to learn when you apply the skills. And I can go on and on and on about the skills that they learn. And again, those skills transfer into adult life, be it in the workplace or in your home. The big dream that I have for our students when they leave here, and to give me the sense of accomplishment that we have done our job here at Kingdom Life Academy, is that they leave here with, again, these amazing skills to be able to navigate their own personal life and to be able to take their rightful place in the marketplace. Our vision statement says just that: transforming lives through His kingdom. And that's what I look back on when I see the transformation in the lives of students. It's worth it all. It's worth everything. It's worth all the price that I've paid here leading Kingdom Life Academy.